My name is Mike Wilson. I am the Sector Intel Lead at Life Sciences Hub Wales. My role involves market analysis, looking at new innovations, new policies. What really excites me about this role is getting to look at all the new innovation, all the exciting new technologies that are coming out, and being able to see that journey from an initial idea through to real products people use and make a real difference to people in their health. Just knowing that the work that we do is having a real impact, helping to support decision-making and innovation to improve health and care, I find is very rewarding. If someone is considering working at Life Sciences Hub Wales, I would suggest just be curious and open to new ideas. If you like problem solving and real rewarding challenges, then this is a great place to be.